Hello everyone, welcome to Tim Reviews Everything, guys. Yesterday I posted a video. It was just a little clip show of the cars that my sons and I saw at the car cruise that was here yesterday. So if you guys just want to see that, go ahead and take a look at some cars. I just thought it'd be fun to throw it up, do something different than a review all the time. So I threw that up yesterday. It's just a 5-minute video, just constant clips of cars that we looked at. So that was a fun time yesterday, so I just thought I'd throw that up. Today I'm going to be talking about the Toguard Dash Cam. I actually posted this video a while ago, probably one of my first videos that I put on the channel. Only a little over 100 views on that. I am very disappointed in that number. I really thought that that was going to be one of my better videos because I just cannot stress the importance of having a dash cam, especially now with everything. Everything is just so fast paced anymore. Everyone flies, and honestly, it keeps you honest too. No lie, I've become a better driver once I put that Toguard Dash Cam in there because it has a cabin cam also, so it's keeping me just as honest as I can be. No phones, no nothing, no distractions. I'm trying to keep myself honest and be a better driver. So today, I'm going to show you some close calls that I've had, and if it was an accident, it's hearsay, right? Unless somebody else stops on the side of the road and a witness and gives a little thing, but no one's doing that anymore. So it's my word versus the person's words that I got in the accident with. Now I have it on dash cam. The couple of the clips I'm going to show you where people cut me off, well, I have them driving like an idiot for the last half a mile. So I can go back and I could show you them swerving in and out of traffic. So if you have all that documentation, like this guy's driving like an idiot, then he cuts me off and then I rear-ended him. Well, that's going to help play in part of for insurance claims. So I cannot tell you the peace of mind that these dash cams give us. All three of my cars have them. And this video only had a little over 100 views. Very disappointing. I really thought it would take off. So I figured I'd do a part 2 on it. It's possible that you guys didn't even see it. If you're new to the channel, maybe you didn't navigate my channel, you didn't see it. But if you did not see this video, watch it. I go through the whole entire dash cam and everything and tell you where I bought it and all that. So with that being said, I'm going to show you some clips now. So the first thing I'm going to show you is a couple deer. As you can see right here, I got 3 little clips I'm going to show you of deer out in front of my car. I'm not in any type of close call with these things, but it's just something cool to throw in there. This one here, I was actually driving and I hit the brakes. I was back on a country road. It was just, I was alone for a while, so I knew nobody was behind me. And I hit the brakes for this snake right here. I love snakes. I love all wildlife, so I didn't want to run them over, so I stopped just in time. Now I'm going to show you just right here. I'm driving, and you got this guy just gradually crossing the line. Once I got beside him, and you cannot see it, he actually got closer to me. This one here, I'm coming up by, where I live. It's a sharp bend. Look at this truck, way over the line. If I was any closer, he probably would have hit me. Next clip here, you see this guy, car goes out. He stopped at the stop sign, but the scooter behind him decided he's going to run the stop sign. Once again, guys, if I was any closer and this guy wanted to run the stop sign and I would have caused an accident or I would have got into an accident with him, I would have documentation showing that this guy ran the stop sign. And then you got this one here. We're going to a ball game and this kid just decides to pick up his daughter and just walk right out in front of our car. Once again, he was looking the opposite direction. So if I was any closer, I could have hit him and his daughter with my car. Well, I got it on camera that this idiot walked right out in front of me with his kid. So once again, guys, it's just peace of mind to have that dash cam in my car. And then here's 2 clips of me getting cut off, on the highway. Something that happens all the time. These people think just because they throw a turn signal on and there's no room that they feel like you've seen the turn signal and they could just cut you off. Because the one person, I didn't even see they had a turn signal. I didn't even see that they were turning because they just came from the right lane into the center lane and then they wanted to hurry up and get into the lane in front of me. And they could have cut me off and I could have rear-ended them. So guys, just some clips. I have more clips, of stuff, but I'm just, certain things I just didn't put on, but it's just crazy, guys. I mean, it's just nonstop catching stuff. That's just out of my 2 cars. My wife, she never tells me whenever something happens, so I haven't been really catching anything on her dash cam as of lately. But I just want to show you guys that things happen. If there was an accident with any of those situations, I have it on dash cam, you know, and I'm protecting myself. I feel this is probably one of the best investments you guys can make for your driving, you know, honestly. So I just wanted to make a quick part 2 of this, show you guys a couple clips, and I highly recommend going to watch the other video and, you know, and possibly guys, get yourself a dash cam and give yourself that peace of mind. So that's it for today, guys. I did not say if you guys are not subscribers to the channel, if you could do that, I appreciate it. And that's it for today. So I hope everyone has a wonderful day.